Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Triple P, where we explore people, places, and palettes. For today's episode, I'm in the beautiful Greek island of Rhodes, and I'm going to be showing you 10 things that you can't miss out on. Let's start off our route with a beautiful walk through some flower fields, leading down a trail towards the beaches of Acti Canari and Kato Petres, where you will find one of the most unique places in all of Rhodes. A stunning hidden chapel found in a natural rock cave dedicated to the Archangel Michael Panormitis, who is not only considered to be the island's patron saint, but also the guardian of sailors of the surrounding seas. It's a beautiful place of worship, and walking into the cave is truly such a humbling experience. Whether you're religious or not, this is a must visit. Next up, let's head into the medieval town, where our first stop has to be the Palace of the Grand Master of Knights, a true marvel of medieval architecture from the 14th century and probably the most imposing landmark in the city of Rhodes, a symbol of the power of the Knights of St. John. It is situated on the famous cobblestone Street of the Knights, which transports you back to the medieval times. Along this lane, you can find 7 inns representing the 7 countries from which the Knights of the Order of St. John came from, including England, Germany, Italy, France, Aragon, Provence, and Auvergne. Talking about historic, do you know that Rhodes is home to one of the oldest cafes in all of Europe? Head over to the historic Cafe Mevlana, located in the heart of the medieval city and found in a building dating back to the 14th century, which is officially rendered a World Heritage Monument by UNESCO. This place was a meeting point for personalities of the letters, arts, and politics, and guess what? It has belonged to the same family for the past 200 years, who originally have Turkish origins. Order yourself some Greek or Turkish coffee served in traditional trays, accompanied by some Turkish delight that is just so delicious.
It's one of the oldest coffee bars in Europe. The building is since 14th century, and it belongs to the same family for almost 4 generations, which is almost 330 years. Same family business.
Get lost in the labyrinth of streets where you will find such a variety of things to eat, see, and do. I was especially impressed by the shops with a medieval theme, showcasing swords, armors, chess sets, costumes, and so forth. Make sure to check out the bustling Hippocrates Square, centered around the Sindriani fountain, and take a peek into the Hafiz Agha library, which was founded in 1794 and has many Arabic, Persian, and Ottoman manuscripts on display. If you're starting to feel hungry after all this exploring, but don't want to break the bank, then one place I highly recommend is called Bahar Souvlakeri. The beauty of souvlaki, Greece's most popular street food, is its simplicity. Its name derives from the Greek word souvla, which means skewer. For those of you who are vegetarian, do not worry. This place has a great selection to choose from as well. It's got fantastic ratings online that I wholeheartedly agree with. Just a 5-minute walk away is the Mandraki Marina and Port, where you can find a couple of interesting places. Firstly, the 2 deer statues called Elefos and Elafina against the backdrop of the St. Nikolaus Castle, referring to the Dama deer, which is a protected species that you will only find in the island of Rhodes and nowhere else. You also have the stunning Church of Annunciation that was constructed in 1920 during the Italian occupation, adorned with beautiful frescoes inside which were painted by Fotis Kontoglou, a renowned Greek painter. Take a stroll near the port and check out the little boats that have a vast array of beach-inspired jewelry, which I think were quite unique and unusual, before heading over for a 45-minute cruise to observe the fauna of the sea and enjoy the views of the town. You will find the yellow submarine stand where tickets are around 15 euros, giving you also access to an underwater deck. To end your night, head back into the medieval town to dine at the Romeo Restaurant, which is a great find in the back streets of the old town. The waiters were super friendly, the live music really enjoyable, and the seating was quite special as it was outdoors, shaded by trees in bougainvillea. You can head to the Legends Rock Bar to grab a drink if you want to experience the nightlife, a great place with live music by talented performers. Other things to add to your bucket list in Rhodes are heading to the Ellis beach to jump off the diving platform, making your way to the town of Lindos to see the stunning Acropolis, swimming at the small romantic bay of Agios Pavlos, also known as St. Paul's Bay with crystal clear waters, snorkeling at the Anthony Quinn Bay, taking a day trip to the gorgeous island of Symi, and also exploring the Valley of Butterflies during the months between June and September. If you're wondering where to stay and are looking for something really historic and unique, then I suggest you the St. Nikolis Historic Boutique Hotel, which was built on the 2,000-year-old remains of the ancient Agora and is an intimate, charming sandstone hotel located on a quiet, cobblestone street in the beautiful Crusader part of the medieval Old Town. The hotel offers breakfast on the roof garden with superb views of the Old Town and harbour, as well as a unique bar with a variety of drinks and cocktails. This bar area also has a room with an original 800-year-old built-in fireplace, which offers a very cozy and warm atmosphere for winter guests. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and do subscribe for more travel inspiration coming up.